This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Ladies of the sea have never been captured on camera until today. Wait, over there it's a mermaid. Hold on, I want to chat. No, mermaid, stop swimming so fast. Come back.
Hey!
Come back.
Yeah.
It was all a dream.
Sammy, are you okay? Did you have a nightmare?
The opposite. It was the best dream. But now I'm sad because I'll never meet a mermaid.
Oh, maybe I can help with that. Come on. I can't conjure up a real mermaid, but I can make the next best thing. It'll be Sam's very own mermaid buddy.
Wait, do you mean I don't have to capture one?
No, not at all. This will be your new bestie. Just give me a minute to finish here.
Ew. What a relief! Those mermaids can swim pretty fast, you know.
I can imagine. Don't worry, Sammy. There's no swimming required at all. Now, I need to make this mermaid's tail. That's pretty important. And it needs to be super shiny. So I'll use a multicolored string. I'm going to just wrap it around the tail, like this. You're going to love this, Sammy. I promise, it'll be just what you're looking for.
This is great! I will have photographic proof of mermaids!
I don't know. Actually, it could be your little secret. Something only you know. There's one last thing to do. This way. You can take this mermaid friend everywhere with you. Well, what do you say?
Wow, she's wonderful, Sue. Do you mind?
Not at all. Now smile! Where is Sam? He knows we're supposed to be doing the crafting video. That's okay. I'll just continue with the next part. This will be another mermaid. You can never have enough fishy friends. And this mermaid will have bouncy curls.
I guess I finished this toilet roll.
Don't worry, I know what to do with this.
Aha!
Now check out this pretty unique technique. We need to press a piece of colored paper against this painted piece of bubble wrap to get a nicely imprinted pattern. Look at this! Doesn't it look like a mermaid's scaled tail?
Ooh, great! And I'll make a top for her.
That actually sounds nice, Sammy. In the meantime, I'll use some glitter to make this thing shimmer and sparkle.
The mermaid's top is ready. Let's put it all together.
Also, let's give her a happy smile. She'd rather look cute than grumpy. One last but important detail, and we're done.
I had never seen a mermaid before, and now I've met two on the same day. Wow. Ready to witness a strike? That was just practice.
Nice try, Sammy. Hey, this ball gives me an idea. Let's make some aquatic-themed jewelry. Just get together all the pretty beads you've got.
So, no more bowling? Give me a second. Strike.
Do we have a fish-shaped bead?
Want a little pizzazz, huh? Say no more. I'm on it.
Thanks. I knew I could count on you. Meanwhile, I'll keep making the bracelet.
It's something big. Hold on. Aha! Sue, we might have a problem.
Luckily, I had a backup plan, and that new buddy of yours can go back into the sea.
You heard her. See ya.
Wow, these look great. I would definitely wear them.
Hey, they are for the mermaids, remember?
Oh, right. Well, I will give them back in a sec. Oh, so pretty. We've made the jewelry and now we need somewhere safe to put it. Like a jewelry box.
So you won't be needing my treasure chest?
No, I think I'm good.
Yeah, all this be so pretty, and it's all mine.
Just don't spend it all on chocolate, okay?
Too late, Sue. I couldn't resist.
I just hope you saved some for the mermaids. This will make the perfect handle. Blue and gold colors match perfectly, right? And these two will look amazing on the jewelry box as well. These shells usually have pearls, so let's add some.
It's wonderful, Sue. The perfect place to hide the mermaid treasure. And, awesome!
Yeah, I really like this jewelry box too. What about you, friends? Then give us a thumbs up.
I wish I had long locks. I'd wear a pretty bow.
You know, Sammy, that actually is a great idea.
Sorry, what did you say? I was too busy admiring myself.
Never mind, I'll just get on with making those bows. Oh, I really like this color. It will match the mermaid's tails. Okay, this part's done. Now I will take a regular barrette and glue this bow onto it. It should hold tight.
Sue, I raided Roger's room and found this cool-looking shampoo. I'm gonna try it.
I don't think that's a good idea, Sammy.
I'm gonna have a glorious mane of hair.
Fine, but don't say I didn't warn you. Excellent! Now let's make this bow look like something any mermaid would be proud of.
Hey, is that it? I need more hair. I'll use the whole bottle. Yeah!
And last but not least, a starfish decor. Cool.
Susie, look. I might have overdone it.
At least you suit a bow now.
Oh, right. Wow, the stars are so beautiful tonight. That shooting star is coming right for us. Take cover.
Whoa, that's so convenient. I was just thinking of making a magical wand.
It's like the scriptwriters just shoehorning this gag in, but okay, I'll go with it.
Sammy, shush! Don't reveal our secrets.
Called that a magic wand? Where's the razzmatazz? Here, take these.
Ooh, awesome. When it comes to crafts, Sammy gets really generous. Would you just look at this, friends? It does look magical now. But we need to give it a bit of mermaid chick as well. There we go. And this pretty shell goes into the middle. Let's test it. Abracadabra. Whoosh! Oh, wow. This is perfect.
It looks impressive, but is it really magical?
Let's find out.
No.
Huh? Sammy, where did you go?
Such elegance. I need to capture it on canvas. Hold on. Oh, yeah, that's better.
You've actually inspired me, Sammy. I know exactly what to do next.
It's gonna be a masterpiece.
Huh, you seem confident? I can't wait to see it. In the meantime, I'll work on this piece of art. Here goes a cute little smiley face. Can you try and guess what I'm making here, friends? This will be a specially customized notebook cover. And in a perfectly mermaid style, of course.
Wonderful. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Oh, really? Then you will totally love this! I hope the mermaids have a sweet tooth. I'm going to make them a candy case.
I don't know about them, but I do.
Tell me something I don't know about you. Anyway, I'm sure this will be a nice surprise for the mermaids.
I'll get more candy to put in there. I know where Roger keeps his secret stash.
Poor Roger. Here we go. Ah, what a beautiful mermaid tail we've got. but I want to make it even better. All that's missing is the candy.
Sue! Open the candy box! I need to hide this! Roger saw me taking it!
I'll take it from here. Alrighty, in the candy go.
Wow! Sue, this is amazing! I'll go give this to the mermaids.
We're almost finished. All that's left to do is make a handbag for the mermaids, underwater style. I thought the best option is a shell-shaped bag. What do you say, Sammy?
Wait! It is the latest style in Paris! So chic!
Oh, really? They're going to love it then. Now let's work on the bag's volume, so to say. It should better be spacious after all. This will be the strap. We don't want it falling off and floating away.
And I'll make sure the bag looks stylish. Could you help me, though?
Of course. I'll make sure it's nice and secure. Let's add some seaweed and a starfish, too. Well, I think our work here is done, Sammy. And we did great.
What a day! Thanks for making my mermaid dreams come true. Now I need my beauty sleep.
Oh, good night, Sammy. Sweet dreams.
Wow! I never knew mermaids could be so much fun. I'm having the best time. Bye, everyone. See you next time. Ooh, party underwater.
Whee! And one holly bush here, I think.
Do you want some help? I could eat those unsightly berries for you.
Holly berries are poisonous, and we need the berries to look good for the park visitors.
Oh, maybe I can run around scaring birds from stealing them.
Run! Never run near prickly plants.
Wow, Zinnia, you walk really fast.
Have to. On alert. It is a lot easier when I'm riding an animal. But like Rose says, I need a new way to do my lookout patrol.
I couldn't help overhearing, and I thought to myself, Bucky is a large, fast animal. Maybe he could be the new spearmint.
Bucky?
All he seems to do is guard the kitchen, and is that even necessary? Ah!
Cap, I need to keep on my patrol. Can you go check that out?
Sure, Zinnia.
Whoops. Do you think I put in too much popcorn?
Yes, Bucky, that is definitely what I think.
At least this'll pop properly.
Is everyone okay? Whoa, that is a lot of popcorn.
Thanks to Bucky. It's going to take me all day to shovel out this popcorn.
Well, I'll be there to help.
Bucky, don't take this the wrong way, but maybe you should go and do a job that doesn't involve destroying my kitchen.
Oh, okay then.
Hi, Bucky. I'm glad I ran into you. Ellery said you might like to be my new partner. Spearmint is, well, he's, on vacation.
Me? Be your new ride? I'd love to. I am super speedy. I just destroyed Chef Thorne's kitchen in no time. But I can't leave Chef Thorne. He has a lot of popcorn to clean up.
Oh, don't worry about that. I'm the best there is at cleaning up food. What's that I hear? A visitor approaching the park over there.
Oh, no.
Hop on, Zinnia. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, one step at a time.
Oh, hello, Thorne. Our good friend Bucky thought you could use a hand.
He did he? I have to clean this mess up and make my many vegetable soup for dinner, but that doesn't mean I...
So, you'll be needing a few pieces of carrot?
I'm not used to getting things so quickly without someone getting knocked over. You're hired, but no funny business.
Let's pretend it's a brand new day and we're going on patrol.
Brand new day. Got it.
We wake up nice and early and I check the view of the park. And you stay right in your spot.
Wake up. Stay here.
And if I see anyone, I slide down onto your back and we charge through the town, warning the others. Let's do a trial run.
We wake up, so that means we must have been sleeping. Where does Spearmint sleep?
Oh, no! A visitor! Oh, Bucky, you were supposed to be ready to ride.
Sorry. I was practicing sleeping, like you said.
How about we learn on the job? I don't have any ankles left to sprain.
Oh, Wonder Beaver. What do you think of me having a new name? You know, like Bucky the Wonder Beaver.
Slow around corners!
Or you could call me Peppermint. Because you miss spearmint,
Watch out for that earthworm!
It's like Chef Thorne always says. You can't make broccoli out of a tomato.
Look out! What do I do? Jump, Bucky, jump!
We can't be out of turnip already. Bucky said there was lots left. Go have another look.
Ellery, this might be your finest hour. Stealing while pretending to help. Why didn't I ever think of that before?
Ellery, I need a cabbage leaf.
All out of that too. So strange.
Good work, everyone. We're safe now.
Practice visitor alert to the village. Woo-hoo!
Hi, you okay? I'm just listening for birds so I can protect the holly berries.
Yeah, that sounds fun. Wait, that's not a bird, it's a visitor alert! Visitor alert!
Nice to see the birds haven't eaten the holly berries.
Isn't it? Let's go home now, dear.
That was amazing. I felt so useful.
A perfect alert, and such a smooth ride.
I'm sorry I wasn't a better lookout partner for you.
Spearmint, you're the best partner out there. I'm sorry I didn't listen to you when you needed a break and a snack and tea. What I'm trying to say is...
Oh, Zinnia, I missed you too.
Ellery, there's supposed to be 21 vegetables in my many vegetable soup, and you're telling me we've run out of all but 4?
Has someone been playing vegetable hide and seek? I found these underneath a cabbage leaf outside.
I don't know what my furry friend's talking about. But, well, sorry, I quit.
Guess what, Chef Thorne? I was just doing a practice visitor alert. Wait a second. Where's Zinnia?
I'm sorry I was grumpy earlier, Bucky. Any chance you'd come back to your job?
Nothing makes you feel warmer than Thorne's mini vegetable soup.
Huh?
Hi, guys!